Okay. Wow, this is the zoo I get to take care of starting today. But I have to make the animal sounds myself. That's a little weird. It's not weird. But it does sound kind of fun. Wow, wow. Adopt. Duck. Record the voice. I can totally do that. I can totally make a duck sound. I'm getting nervous. Oh, now I'm getting nervous. Whack, 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 whack. Click an arrow to move wherever you like. It should get in the water. What animal do you think this is? Do you think it's a goat? What do goats sound like? Hey, I guess it's just called a goat. Something's wrong with that goat! Something's so wrong with that goat! What does the fox say? Ring ding 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 ding! Ring ding ding ding! Something's wrong with them. Aww, cute! The Gaurus. Okay, wait a... That's my walrus. Wow! A Goler gear! Wow! I can't make a bear sound. I think this is... Why didn't it make any noise? Wow, sounded just like a bear. They're gonna sound exactly the same. Wow. A gay deer. Ow! 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 All my animals are gonna sound the same. Grog. It's so cute. I got it. Yeah, a ferocious beast, that is. Yeah, it does sound like that. Whoa, Gog. Can I afford this one? Yeah. The horse. Why is he so cool? It looks so cool. I can't make a horse noise. Yeah. You should bring everything close together. Realistic owl.
A few moments later.
Wearing this costume makes all the animals use cat cries. Oh, wait, they all do it?